guys just got this in, we're just gonna unbox it. So it did come with a plastic cover on it. I took that off, by the way, because I got it by mail. But that's about it. It didn't come a box within a box and all that stuff. So I do want to mention around the box, you will see some information here about the computer. There's not much around it besides that. Just wanted to show you that. And to open it up, we're just gonna open this and this. Alright, so right now you guys are seeing everything we got inside the box. So let's start off with the charger itself. Just to give you a quick look at it. Here it is. Just put it up this way. It's pretty basic, USB-C. There's some details on the back here. Very few details about it. And that's it. It's not heavy. It's similar to an iPhone one, for example, but a lot heavier, a little bit bigger. Then we got our cable, which I expect it to be bigger, by the way. Let's just take it out. So here's the cable. Again, it's USB-C. So you got USB-C on both. There's no markings that I can see on the cable itself, but I'm just gonna do an up-close shot so you guys can see the writing here. So you guys can see that writing up there. That's about it. That's all the markings that I can tell you from this. On that, pretty standard cable. And in here, we should have some manuals, which you guys don't really need because I do have a video about the setup. You guys can go on and watch that instead of reading this stuff, which is good to know anyways. So it's good to start it regardless. There's your warranty. So the warranty papers, nobody reads them. But they're here, so they're gonna be right in here, okay? All right, so now let's open this up and take a look at this Galaxy book. Pretty sleek design. All right, so I'm just gonna show you all the way around it, but let's just take this out, might as well, just to protect the screen. All right, so on the side, we have the Samsung logo. Now let's take a look at the ports. All the ports on this would be on the side. We got all these guys right here. Then if we take a look at the other side, we have even more ports. And here they are. By the way, this is where you would charge it from. And luckily, we don't just have USB-C, but regular USB. And if you're interested in connecting this up to a monitor, HDMI. On that, on the front, there's no ports, and on the back, there's no more ports. So those would be all the ports around it. Now, if you take a look at the back of this, you guys can see some ventilation, speakers. The front, there's nothing. And that's it. I just showed you all the way around. Now remember, this is just an unboxing video to see exactly what you guys get inside the box. But I do have a setup video where you guys can see this in action. Anyways, let's just open it up. All right, so let's just focus on the keyboard itself. You guys can see it's a standard keyboard, not much to it. The size of the touchpad right here, it's normal. So your trackpad, I wouldn't say it's those extra large ones. And it's not a tiny one. It's, I would say, a regular sized one. Other than that, the keyboard's pretty standard. It does look like a MacBook Pro or a MacBook Air, by the way. It does feel like that. Now here is the Galaxy book. You guys can see the screen and everything. We do have a camera right on the top. It's a little bit hard to focus that in. Sorry about that. And then I'm gonna do a quick shot right here of the keyboard. I know you guys couldn't see it 100%, but here's the keyboard. Again, pretty standard. We do have Samsung logo right there. And it is pretty thin. So I'm just gonna hold it up so you guys can see how thin this is. So right now you guys can appreciate exactly how thin this is. Let me just put my finger right here. You guys can compare that. And it is pretty thin. Same thing goes with the bottom, by the way. It's pretty thin. It's hard to get a good shot of it, but that's how thin this is. So it's a nice, sleek Galaxy book. Very impressed by it. Here is the back of the book again. Pretty standard. And there's really not much more to show you about this because that's all we get inside the box. And right now, if you guys want to head over and watch that setup video, it'll be the perfect time since now you guys know exactly what you guys get inside the box Now you guys can go ahead and see it all in action. All right, so normally I would turn this on. However, this is one of those that doesn't come with any battery, which I think it's not a good thing at all. They should come with some battery. So we have to charge it up, and then finally we can turn it on for the first time. So we're gonna have to fully charge it before we can turn it on. So that's actually surprising, because they always come with some charge, so you guys can get started. But anyways, as far as this unboxing goes, we're pretty much all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.